What is up, guys? Welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars. My name is Shane and welcome to basically my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the supercar community. If you're new to the channel, thanks for checking it out. Just a quick one here on what my thoughts and opinions and asking you guys about Stradman's decision to get a JDM car and which one he should get. Just before we jump into it, thank you to all my new recent subscribers. Oh my god, I mean, for me being such a small channel, I haven't gotten that many lately, so every one of you that has subscribed or watching this, thank you very much. It means a lot to me. And if you're new, guys, the bigger the channel gets, the more the more stuff I can do. That I know you're enjoying this kind of stuff. Where I live, there's no supercars here in Ireland or in the city I live in. So I do this kind of stuff and I like chatting to you guys in the comments below. So do comment below. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions. I might even bring your comment up in the next video as well. So as I said, diving... Oh, and one more thing actually I forgot to say. If we hit 2,000 subscribers, guys, I'm going to do a giveaway. This Lamborghini LED sign behind me. I think it's the least we can do. And yeah, that's basically just smash the subscribe button. Cost you nothing. And you could win this Lamborghini LED sign. So... as I was saying, Stradman has released a video about him getting his next car, which is going to be a JDM car. He's narrowed it down to 3 cars, an Acura Nsx, a Nissan R35 Gtr, and a MK4 Supra. So what do I think? Which one he should go for? So straight off the bat, I'm not going to dick around with this. I think you should get the MK4 Supra. I know if you're an R35 fan, I mean, it does look like it's been pretty close. It'll pop up here for you, just showing you his recent Instagram poll. I'm surprised that the R35 is winning, but not by much. I've owned a Supra for any of you. Years ago, I did own a Supra, and I absolutely love that car. And if this channel gets big enough to get another one, I definitely will buy another MK4 Supra for the channel. In the meantime, we are looking into trying to get a project car soon, but we'll see how it goes. But yes, I think you should get it. I mean, look, we both know they are JDM monsters. They can be tuned up to 1,000 horsepower easy enough. Their blocks are really strong. It's ridiculous what you can do to them. I just think the MK4 Supra is just a timeless car that just doesn't age with the looks that it has. Don't get me wrong, 2017 facelift GTR is pretty sweet. But I'm interested to hear your thoughts and opinions, guys. What one do you think you should get and why? So do comment below and let me know. I mean, look, it's Stradman. It's not if he can't afford either of the cars. He has said that his issue is either the cars for sale on Auto Tempest or eBay or wherever he's looking, they're either too pristine and he doesn't want to modify them because they're so nice, or they're already fully modified to a point. I mean, he did come up with a good idea, which is what I think you should do. Buy an NA Auto, change it to a manual and dump a twin turbo into it. That 6-speed get rig gearbox on the Supra is not cheap by any means. I think they're around 10,000. They aren't cheap to buy, but getting parts for it and tuning it, it would be fine. And you can get, they just sound so sick. But then you have the luxury of the R35, which is more modern. You have the leather, all the leather inside it. I mean, I think what he should do is, if somebody out there has a tuned Supra and a tuned, well, he's driven the R35, but he should drive a tuned MK4 Supra and see which one he would go for. I hope he gets the Supra, but look, the poll says that. So I'm interested to hear from you guys what you think he should get, your reasons. I've given my reasons why I want him to get the MK4 Supra. But we shall see. It's going to be interesting, and whichever one he gets, it's going to be tuned to the high 9s, and it's going to look awesome and body kitted and the whole lot, maybe even a seamless show build. So that's my video for today, guys. Hopefully you like this kind of stuff. Give it a thumbs up, give the channel a chance to subscribe and get involved and get commenting, and hopefully check out my other videos as well. And hopefully you like this kind of stuff. I will see you in the next episode. Stay safe and keep her lit.